Okay, I'm going to show you how to attach the feet to the axolotl. Since the body isn't stuffed, it's a little bit different, and I don't want to go through the back, so I'm trying to go through just that top layer of the front. And I'm just going to start by attaching the very bottom of the foot and just a couple stitches here, again making sure that I'm only going through that top layer of the axolotl. You might want to double check a few times. It'll just make a pucker on the back if you get both layers, and it's just not quite as cute. Here I'm going to attach I'm going through underneath that top layer, and I'm going to come out near the top of this little toe. And this is how I'm going to attach it with making it look raised, but still firmly attached. I like this method because it makes it still look like the foot's kind of hanging out there, but that it's not so tied down that it just kind of melds into the body. So now I'm just going through the foot, because the foot also isn't stuffed here. I'm going through just those layers of fabric underneath and through the foot, and just making sure it's really secure. Now that I feel like the foot is secure, I'm going to weave in that end. I'm going to just make a couple passes in a couple different directions to make sure that I feel like it's secure enough to cut the end. You can see how the foot is still raised there but fully secure. Now time for the other one.